The IBC dictates whether or not a building will require a fire alarm system. Let's take 2 minutes to learn about Group B, Group B being business. So, Group B is going to be found in the IBC 9072.2, and the requirement for initiating devices for a Group B is going to be pull stations throughout. Now, we're going to need a fire alarm system with pull stations throughout if we have any of the following, whether that be an occupant load of 500 or more, if we have an occupant load of more than 100 above or below the lowest level of exit discharge, meaning that if more than 100 people have to use the stairs, we're going to need a fire alarm system. And lastly, if the building contains an ambulatory healthcare facility. Now, for notification, we're going to have occupant notification in the form of horns and strobes. With the necessity for pull stations throughout, we're going to install them according to NFPA 72. So we will have to have pull stations within 5 feet of all exit doors, no more than 200 feet of travel distance from one pull station to the next along the path of egress, and lastly, pull stations have to be mounted at a height of 42 to 48 inches above the finished floor to the actuator. For occupant notification, we are going to be doing horns and strobes. When we see the term occupant notification within the confines of the IBC, that typically means audibles and visibles in the form of horns and strobes. We will install strobes in all common use areas as well as all public use areas. We are looking to achieve with our audible appliances 15 dB above the average ambient sound level, as this is going to be public mode. Now, there are some exceptions for the necessity for pull stations throughout. If the building is fully sprinklered, we can eliminate pull stations throughout the entirety of the building with the exception of one. We will always have a necessity on any required fire alarm system for a minimum of one pull station, and that'll be located at the discretion of the AHJ. If you're looking for more information, please check out our National Training Conference information on our website, nationaltrainingcenter.com/conference.